Hi, my name is Nicolas Homble, and along with my teammate Julien Homble, this is our submission for the Morse code project. Here we have an Arduino R3 board using pin 13 of the digital output into an LED behind a resistor. Down here we have our sketch for the program with the Arduino IDE. We can re-verify and then re-upload. We'll see the board beep when it's received the new program. Okay, to show off some of the basic functionality, let's first do a couple characters, A and B. So we come to here and type A, B. You'll see that dot long. Wait for the next character. Long, dot, dot, dot. When we look at the spec, we'll see that because we added a space, our program interpreted it as two different words. So we added 7 units of space between them, and then A and B are dot long, long, dot, dot, dot. We can do a longer message. Let's do hello. And this will show off a couple things. One, that our program continuously polls for new input to display on the LED. We differentiate between spaces between words and letters. So while between words it's 7 counts, between letters in the same word it's only 3 counts. So judging by the long pause, we're probably started to my first name. And so if we look, we see long dot. If we go down to N, we see that is indeed what it is. So now we just wait for this complete. Okay, dot, dot, dot. That's the S, that's the last character in my name. Okay, cool. And finally, we implemented the sentinel character with the pound. So now that I've sent that, if I type another message, let's just say E, which is only 1 dot, I press enter, nothing happens as expected. That's all for the demo. Thank you very much.